I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. So, my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this was his cook bag of recipes. But it's the Super Bowl weekend coming up, so I figured why not give you guys only party appetizers. It's party appetizer week. This is mostly cutouts. I figure we'll do one cutout and then one handwritten one. We are making bacon water chestnuts and Gregorid salsa.
There's a cookbook available now. You can go to deadgregs.com for more info or check my pinned video on TikTok. Gregorid salsa. It seems pretty simple. Chopped up 1 bunch cilantro and 1 medium onion. Then it's time to combine all until container full. 2 cans of chili tomatoes, 1 can corn, 1 can black beans, 1 can jalapenos, 1 bunch cilantro, 1 medium onion. Mix. Refridge. Alright, bacon water chestnuts. Starts with ready to serve bacon. And then you take that bacon and you wrap it around a water chestnut and you try not to cut yourself.
Yeah, cut myself.
You do that a bunch and then it's time for the dressing, which is 3/4 cup Miracle Whip, 3/4 cup finely packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup chili sauce. Now the recipe says to pour over the water chestnuts, but I thought you would get a more even spread by dipping them in individually. I don't know, maybe I should have just poured it. And then you put that in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. That's both apps. Let's serve it up, see what the roommate thinks.
Okay, so this is Gregorid salsa, and this is water bacon chestnut.
What is any of that?
Gregorid salsa. Well, actually, do you want to take a guess on, or who made what? All right, so one's a cutout and one is a Dead Greg recipe.
Gregorid salsa is definitely Greg's.
Is that what Greg is short for?
I mean, it's not a word. Gregorid salsa.
You know, I actually did go check the box that he came in to see if his name was Gregorid.
No, you did not.
I mean,
It was a long shot.
when I read it, it said Gregory. I'm like, I'm an idiot. I don't know why I'm looking at this. Why am I checking?
Yeah, check the ashes box. That'll give you all the clues.
It's spicy.
Mm-hmm. Now I gotta try a water chestnut. Never had that.
Yeah. Well, let's say they look cool.
It looks like a bacon wrapped scallop. It's like the poor man's version.
How are you eating this? It's so hot.
I don't know. It's good though. It's got like a crunch.
The crunch is
I love
intense.
bacon.
That's like,
Yeah.
I mean, that is like the crispiest apple I've ever been
Right?
in my entire
Yeah, that's
life.
what I was thinking. A little hot. We're just a couple sad Dolphins fans.
I want both teams to lose.
No, go Birds.
I was gonna say it tastes cheap. Because it seems like a very nice cocktail party,
Yeah.
but like I feel like you bite into it and you're like, oh, that must be pre-made sauce in there.
Oh yeah, so what is the sauce? Is it pre-made? Is it out of a can?
You don't want to know what the sauce is.
Really?
It's chili sauce mixed with brown sugar and Miracle Whip.
What?
Miracle Whip.
Oh, good.
Do you eat all 3 of yours already?
Yeah.
You embarrassed now that there's Miracle Whip in it?
Yeah. I mean, that was good.
It's pre-cooked bacon too.
What?
Yeah, I'm not even sure it was from the refrigerator section.
What's pre-cooked bacon?
It tastes like bacon already cooked. You can just
Like you just eat it right out of the thing?
Yeah.
People do that?
I don't know.
Should we rate it?
Yeah, let's rate it. I split up the boards. So. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
yeah, it's a 7.
You really don't like the water bacon chestnut.
I don't know that I think it's a 7 too.
It's higher than that.
I think it's like seeing how a hot dog is made.
Right,
You know
that's what I was about to say. You saw how it was made.
I know all these ingredients, and I'm like, this is kind of gross. The more I think about it, I would feel gross if I did like it. I would judge myself. You know? And it probably isn't. It's pretty good.
I got no shame. I'm a Dolphins fan.
True. And also, the salsa is like crazy easy to make. It kind of
it was bland to me though. Like it's missing something.
like a pre-made salsa, but just a bit fresher.
Yeah. I'd rather have like regular salsa, you know, like
Okay.
more tomatoes, you know what I mean? I think that has more flavor.
All right. Until next time on Dead Greg's Recipes. Party appetizer week still coming.
Look how cute that is. Crystal sent this in from Squishes and Squiggles on Instagram. Referencing this, obviously. Look at that.